In this video, I'll show you how to find your saved passwords in Google Chrome. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. Our first step is to open a Google Chrome browser. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the three dots that you will see at the top right. Then go to the bottom and click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go ahead and select Autofill and Passwords. Then you will select Google Password Manager. Inside Google Password Manager is where you can create, save, and add new passwords. If you're looking for a specific website that you need the password for, you can just type it on the search bar. And for example, I just type in Facebook and this is going to show me my password to Facebook. Of course, you have to put your computer password, or if you have Touch ID in case you have a Mac, you can also do that as well. If you want to see your password, simply click on this little eye icon that will be right next to your password. And in case you want to delete or edit your password, you can do it right here at the bottom as well. And that's how you can manage your Google Chrome passwords. Hope this helps.